Hello guys, welcome to CryptoMalu community. Today I'm here with a few sets of airdrop and especially the IME Messenger application platforms AI token airdrop. The token will be listed on the Uniswap on 28th May. The link for downloading the app is provided in the description. You can enter the Play Store and download the app. IME is a Telegram Messenger application with a crypto wallet imported in it, and it has many advanced features than Telegram. We can import the same account what you have registered in the Telegram by entering the phone number, and entering the OTP. You can give the permissions. It's completely safe and it's similar to Telegram. Also, you have advanced features like you can see chat sections, personal messages, Telegram groups, Telegram channels, the boards you have joined all separately. You can see that we can create neuro bots by AI tokens, create a Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet. Let's see how to create a wallet. Click on the create wallet button, click on the activate button. You will be redirected to the IME wallet bot. Click on the activate me. You will be redirected to the wallet button. You can see that 30 tokens will be instantly credited, which is worth showing $0.3. It's actually a public sale price, so you can expect more than 10x. Now we can create a Ethereum wallet. Just enter a password and a PIN number and confirm both for creating an Ethereum wallet. Similar to Trust Wallet, this also has an recovery phase which you should not forget. Just write it in a paper safely and store. Don't forget to back up the recovery phase. You can see that we can store Tether USDT and other ERC20 tokens too. In order to request a transfer, you can click on the request transfer button and receive the tokens by using the Telegram username. Also, you can send the tokens by using the Telegram username to other friends. Also, you can share the referral link of the app, and if the friends register, you will get 10 AI coins each. The token will be listing on Uniswap on 28th May. The public sale is already over. We can have a look of other running airdrops. You can see the CoinMarketCap airdrops active here. There are 4 airdrops active. And the Huobi Global Exchange airdrop for TRX, BTT and JST token holders. We can go to the details of the airdrop. Huobi Exchange will be airdropping APNFT tokens to the TRX holders, TRX, BTT and JST holders. The snapshot will be taken around 12 PM June 10. You need to hold at least 100 TRX, 100 JST or 2000 BTT in the spot wallet or the wallets provided by them. You can see the airdrop rules. The token will be distributed according to the amount of tokens we are storing. TRX holders will be airdrop 40%, BTT holders will airdrop 30% and another 20% for the JST holders and the rest for Bitcoin and Ethereum holders. The next airdrop is Solana based airdrop of KLB token Just join their Discord and wait for the airdrop. The first 10,000 people will be airdropped. You can see a proof of our CoinMarketCap airdrop earned by 1/3 of the participants, which is worth of $100. And at last the KuCoin AMA, which is going to happen tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. For more airdrops, keep subscribing our Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. The link is provided in the description.